hello, you're welcome back to this space. I just finished cooking and I thought to pick up my camera and show you what I just finished making. And first of all, so here I have almond bread, moi moi with fish and egg. Then I have here fish and chicken stew. Then I have here chicken curry for myself. I have here grilled chicken. Yep.
When did you call? Oh, that's a good question. Can't get this is his best friend, but I'm some.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
It's almost 2 p.m. right now, and I just want to have a slice of this oat bread before going out. I am going out with my colleagues at work, but that will be in the evening because one of them is working today while the other two are not working. I also didn't go to work today. I'm off work today, and we decided to go to downtown. Catch you guys later. Power bank, my second phone, my cord, my purse, water, I don't know if I should wear a slippers or I should wear a shoe. It has been hot for the past 1 week, but yesterday it rained heavily overnight and it's somehow cold, so I don't know if I should wear a shoe or a slippers. In fact, I even thought of wearing a short knicker, but I don't think it's the right weather to wear shorts. That's why I'm wearing this. So this is how I'm going. Slippers. Yeah, I will catch you guys later. I think I'm going to leave this. I put it there to lay my edges, but I don't think I want to remove it. I think I like it the way it is. It's keeping the hair in place. Okay guys, I'll catch you guys later. Currently at the bus stop. Maybe eventually I'm going to remove this because I'm feeling heat. Let me stand under this tree. So I'm currently at the bus stop waiting for a bus. Bus is here. So I'm currently at the bus stop waiting for my next bus. I'm inside the bus stop place. Well, are they not supposed to put AC here? It's kind of hot. Let me show you guys around. What it looks, my bus is already here. My bus is here already. Are we going first? Where are we going? What? Sometimes. Yeah, like this one will be noisy.
Tips, tricks, stories you can trust, your goals and your vision, that's a must. From hustle to freedom, we'll show the way. Join the journey, join the journey. Stories you can trust, your goals and your vision, that's a must. From hustle to freedom, we'll show the way. Tips, tricks, stories you can trust, your goals and your vision, that's a must. From hustle to freedom, we'll show the way.